Okay, now let's check on our beans and our risotto. We've got the beans coming to a nice simmered boil here, so we're going to turn the heat off that, and we're going to take them over and drain them. We're going to reserve them back here in our pan, and we're going to add our shallot mixture, our red onion and balsamic mixture to that. And just stir them around until it's lightly coated. Okay, let's go and check our risotto. Risotto is bubbling up. And so to help that along, in reducing, we're going to add a liberal tablespoon of Parmesan. And you can add Reggiano to the Parmesan to give it another flavor. As you can see, risotto is very creamy and the liquid is just about absorbed. So we'll stir the Parmesan in till it's blended, and then we'll take our cilantro and add that on the top.